When a pharmaceutical company submits a drug for regulatory approval, one of the most important sections of the submission is Module 3 of the Common Technical Document, commonly known as the CMC section. CMC stands for Chemistry, Manufacturing and Controls. This module provides detailed information about how the drug is manufactured, how its quality is controlled, and how regulators can be confident that every batch of the medicine will meet strict quality standards. While other modules focus on clinical studies or safety data, Module 3 focuses entirely on the quality of the drug product. Regulatory authorities rely heavily on this module to ensure that the medicine being approved is consistent, stable, and manufactured under controlled conditions. The CMC section is generally divided into two major parts, the drug substance section and the drug product section. Let's begin with the drug substance section. The drug substance refers to the active pharmaceutical ingredient or API. This is the chemical or biological compound responsible for the therapeutic effect of the medicine. In this section, companies must describe the manufacturing process of the active ingredient, including the raw materials used, the synthesis or production steps, and the controls applied during manufacturing. Regulators must understand how the API is produced and whether the process is capable of consistently generating a high-quality substance. This section also includes information about the structure, properties, and characterization of the drug substance. Analytical methods are used to confirm the identity and purity of the active ingredient, ensuring that the compound is exactly what it is claimed to be. Another key element within the drug substance section is control of impurities. During manufacturing, small amounts of unwanted chemicals may be produced. These impurities must be carefully monitored and controlled to ensure they remain within safe limits. Next is the drug product section. While the drug substance describes the active ingredient, the drug product refers to the final medicine that patients will use. This section explains how the active ingredient is combined with other components known as excipients to create the finished dosage form, such as tablets, capsules, injections, or creams. The drug product section includes detailed information about formulation development, manufacturing procedures, and quality controls applied during production. Regulators evaluate this information to ensure that the manufacturing process can consistently produce a drug product with the correct strength, purity, and performance. Another critical component of Module 3 is specifications. Specifications are the quality standards that the drug substance and drug product must meet before they can be released for use. These specifications include tests for identity, purity, potency, and physical characteristics such as appearance or dissolution. Each specification is supported by validated analytical methods that confirm the drug meets the required quality standards. Closely related to specifications is the stability section. Stability studies evaluate how the drug substance and drug product change over time when exposed to different environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, and light. These studies help determine the shelf life of the medicine and establish the recommended storage conditions. For example, stability testing may demonstrate that a drug remains safe and effective for 2 years when stored at room temperature. Regulators rely on stability data to ensure that patients receive medicines that remain stable and effective throughout their intended shelf life. Another essential part of Module 3 is validation. Validation provides evidence that manufacturing processes, analytical methods, and quality control systems perform reliably and consistently. For example, process validation demonstrates that the manufacturing process consistently produces batches that meet predefined quality standards. Similarly, analytical method validation confirms that laboratory testing methods accurately measure the identity, purity, and potency of the drug. Validation is critical because it ensures that quality is built into the manufacturing process rather than tested only at the final stage. In summary, Module 3 of the CTD provides a complete picture of the drug's quality and manufacturing controls. By documenting the drug substance, drug product specifications, stability data, and validation processes, the CMC section ensures that regulators can confidently assess whether the medicine can be produced safely, consistently, and at high quality. Ultimately, this information helps guarantee that patients receive medicines that are safe, effective, and manufactured to the highest pharmaceutical standards.